So I made it here to Bali. I'm in Ubud. Yesterday I caught a flight from Manila. Took about 4.5 hours, easy flight. I arrived in Denpasar at midnight, and long line at immigration. Took about an hour or so. I stayed at an airport hotel, actually a capsule hotel inside the airport. I think it was about 30 bucks, but it was so nice just being able to get off the plane, go through immigration, and go to sleep in the airport. I took the bus from Kuta. I think it would cost 100,000 rupiah, which is about $6.50. The ride took about 2 hours. It's a short distance, but the traffic was pretty intense, so it took quite a bit of time. Interestingly, I was the only one on the bus. It was a bus for like 15 people, and it was just me and the driver. So I don't know, I was surprised they even ran the route. The airport in Denpasar is located right in the city pretty much. You can walk from the airport into Kuta. I just walked all the way from the airport to the place where I caught the bus in Kuta. It was about a 40-minute walk or something. So a little bit far, but not so bad. I don't have that much luggage, so it wasn't really an issue. A lot of times I prefer walking rather than taking a taxi or something. It's just more comfortable for me. Even though the money isn't much of an issue, I still prefer it a lot of times. I think if public transport's available, I'll use that, but I just really don't like taking taxis. It's so easy to get ripped off. And motorcycle taxis are kind of dangerous. Not really a fan. So I just walk when I can.